Alright guys, this is a couple weeks after I got back from Fort Peck. When I got back, I started putting video clips together and I realized that I was going to have way too much content to put it all in one video. So what you're about to see here is day 3 and part 2 of my Fort Peck lake trout trip. And it was the best day we had, and I caught more fish and had the best day of lake trout fishing that I've ever had. So hopefully you enjoy. Check it out. There's one.
Get him! Nice.
Good eater.
Nice.
Oh. Another one. Good deal. Stevie's just hammering them today.
What in the world did you do right last night?
You gotta
listen. That's what I did. I freaking listened.
Pay attention, didn't you?
Yes.
Oh man.
Nice one.
Not like last. Oh wait. Oh wait. Whoa. Now we're taking some line.
4 so far today.
Yeah. This is so better. Pissed yesterday.
Them guys were exactly in my hole.
Yeah.
And they're gonna buy you a beer later?
Exactly. They should. And I
They
don't,
sh
they've got one fish in 3 days.
Yeah, you know.
They had 2. When I
That's
got
good.
there,
That's
the guy
good.
that was in my hole had one. The other guy, I turned around to talk to him. He caught it.
Yeah.
That's good water, man. Yeah.
That's a good one. You got it. Oh, you got a hook. Oh my god.
Nice.
That's another good one. There we go. Oh man.
You're hot, you're hot.
When you're hot, you're hot. You gotta
Nice.
hold her real quick. Wow, buddy. Get that down.
That's your 4th one already?
There we go.
Yeah.
Dump them. Oh, crazy.
Not even 9 o'clock.
Crazy morning. What do we got? 8 on the ice now?
Yeah.
In an hour?
7:52, first picture of his fish. It's 8:41, not even an hour.
Not even an hour. Like,
4 fish.
it's been
not an
45 minutes, and as a whole in this area, we've got 8 fish. It's
What are you
wild.
doing different to this time?
Just non-stop.
Thing is on mission.
Oh, it's a good one. No! Oh well, get another one 10 minutes from now. Yeah. Never. Horsing him at the hole. You were trying to yank him up before he was ready.
I know that feeling.
Alright, first hour on the last day. We have iced 9 trout already, so it's definitely our best day so far as early on action goes. And hopefully we'll be able to pick up a bunch of fish today. So let's get her done. I watched that one happen. Jeez. Yeah. Ooh, bring him up. Oh crap. Oh no. Uh oh. Come on. Oh my gosh. There we go. Another one. Oh gosh.
Nice.
You just keep catching good ones. Couldn't land that one. Oh, come on, Zach.
You get for watching somebody else catch.
Yeah.
Big, nice mark.
Sending that one back, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, dang it.
Just more doubles. Wild. This one seems to have some shoulders. Yeah. Actually giving me some runs. Big bubble cloud. There we go, Dennis. Yeah. Doubled up. Somebody get another one. This is gonna be a big fish. It's fighting hard, dogging, just staying down, not.
I can't really bring it up. Oh. 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 This one is solid. This is by far, like that 32 did not do anything even remotely close to this. This is a big one. Right. Oh. Holy shit. Holy. Yeah.
It might not be that much bigger than what we've been getting, like your dad's 34 or something, but yeah, I mean it's. Oh, that's why I came out here. I haven't got that yet. Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah.
This is awesome. Take that up a little bit. I think he's getting worn. Yeah, that's
a big one. You gotta tape it all?
Yeah.
Just has a lot more spunk. It's not that much
it's not
huger than anything else.
It's a lot bigger, but it's a big fish.
It's just kind of getting spoiled by so many 30-ish. Oh, and it might be the biggest one I've ever caught. Might be 35.
Don't want to come up the hole, huh?
No. It's been giving me fits for a while. Come on. Gee. Yeah, it's not that much bigger than what we've been getting. It's just that it's. Can you grab a picture, Zach?
Yeah, you bet. Okay,
My phone's up there. Holy cow! Show that real quick. Awesome. Sweet. Oh, heck yeah.
You gonna measure it or?
Nah, I'm not worried about it. Probably 33 or something.
Yeah.
Back the second time, huh?
Yep. Oh, it's another good one. Oh, this is too much fun now. Yeah, it's a big one. No way. Yeah. Come on. Another just stud. Probably 31. Fat. This is crazy. On again. No. It's running.
You got a measuring tape? Mind running it over real quick?
I just want to see what like fish like that are. This one's got some weird stuff growing on him. Yeah, probably like 30. Fat one. Yeah, crazy.
Just a toad.
Yeah,
Right
yeah,
at
30. Sweet. 67.
Yeah, it's another good one. Crazy. Crazy fishing. Another good one. Didn't put that hook set on because I was trying to delete some old footage. Look, me show that. What the heck? It is.
It sure looks like
It totally is. Alright, since morning time it has been slow. We had a really hot morning and a fast start, but since then it has been tough for us. We've been moving around, trying to find new areas, but it hasn't really worked yet. So see if we can dial something in for the last evening here, but if not, it was still a pretty awesome day.
Wind's blowing me sideways. This is your hole. Yeah, it is. Oh, you put on the reverse thrusters.
How did we do that?
I don't know.
Get your head up there.
No. Alright. There we go. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, look at that.
I've got enough pictures.
Sounds good.
They all look alike.
Yeah. There we go.
There's one. I can get this one.
Get her.
Yeah.
Just a baby.
Just a baby. Just a little guy will go back. On.
Showing up 2 at a time now. It's kind of nice. Yep, get on out. Hey. Gee. Should have got your fight out in the water. Another little one.
Yeah, just a baby. I think that might end it. That's my 15th fish of the trip. And ice is getting wet. I think we might be taking off. Think we should wrap up?
Big set of gloves on, my hands are nice and just do it, and all of a sudden I got that fish and dropped it right in the water.
And have nice.
Alright, so wrapping it up here in Montana, we finished our last day off with having a 30 fish day, which is pretty awesome in my books. Obviously, it's not like what you hear about in Montana as far as Fort Peck fishing, but as far as the other people we talked to this trip, we did really well, and we are definitely very happy with the average size. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to check out the next one and like and subscribe, and we appreciate you watching here. See you on the next one.